Oh my god, look who's back with a zit on her forehead. Not on her forehead, but right next to her right eyebrow. I'm eating a lot of dairy right now, like a lot.
Weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Oh my god, first of all guys, I am so happy that I could film today because I am so busy. Like, it's the end of 2020 and my life is like back to normal. It's so freaking busy right now. But I'm here right now, happy, and this is my hair care routine after washing my hair. This is not my everyday hair care routine, but this is my hair care routine when I wash my hair. I mean, after I wash my hair. Here, my hair is almost dry, but it's still a bit wet. And this is when I apply a lot of hair serum, and then I also apply a hair cream. Hair serum that I use today is the Silk and Shine one. I also use the Livon one. And the hair cream that I use is the Himalaya Protein hair cream. You can use any hair cream. I have to follow this routine like before combing the hair, otherwise there will be a lot of knots and a lot of hair fall. So what happens when you apply a lot of hair cream and hair serum, the tangles, they become easy to like get rid of. So I always suggest you, whenever you wash your hair, apply a hair cream when it's like almost dry but still a bit wet. Apply the hair cream or hair serum, whatever you want. You will see the hair fall will literally reduce if you just apply any hair cream. Here I am heating up my straightener. However, this is not something that I follow every day. I follow this when I have to make a video, film a video. I want my hair to look neat. If I don't have to film anything, I would not follow this tip. Now I am putting my hair like the front sections at the top, and now I am getting rid of the knots in the lower section, because when you straighten out your hair, you should always start with the bottom lower part. Now, I am that person who hates sleek straight hair. I don't like sleek straight hair. There has to be like some bouncy or like 90s vibe going on. So I basically don't straighten my hair like that. However, if you want pin straight hair, then you have to give each section a lot of time, and you can get the pin straight hair at home itself. But I like use the straightener just to like, you know, to make the hair look neat and tidy. Just the smoothing effect is enough for me. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't want pin straight hair. I am not a fan of pin straight hair. It just makes my head look so flat, and yeah, straightened out hair is not something that looks good on me. So yeah, I just try not to make it look like pin straight. Once the lower section looks neat and tidy to me, I take out the front sections, and as you can see, I got rid of the tangles first. Always get rid of the knots and tangles in your hair, then use your straightener. Because if you have knots and then you use a straightener, the straightener cannot do its work, and besides it makes the knots like really difficult. So first get rid of the knots and then use the straightener. And this is the final result, and I can style my hair now any way I want. Before doing makeup, you need a base, and before doing hairstyle, you also need a base. So this is the base, and this base is very important to make any other hairstyles work. So yeah, this is the routine that I follow to get like this smooth hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Happy holidays!